Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 GMC Yukon SLT in white frost. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, rear DVD entertainment system, power liftgate, 5.3-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6733.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.